Hi everyone, we're going to continue with our exercises. I'm going to do exercise 19. This is a major assignment and I want you guys to create a poster. Creating a poster can be costly. I mean, you have to pay somebody to create a poster, but with everything that you've learned so far, I think you can create one. And you can create a poster for an imaginary event at YSU, for example. Or if you're taking the fashion promotion class, I think it would be great to create a poster for the Everybody Fashion Show that's going to be in April. So maybe they will use your poster if you do a good job. But this is also a bigger assignment, so you will be getting a little more points for this. I'm going to share my screen and show you a couple examples of some posters that they've done for the Everybody Fashion Show before. Okay, this is a poster somebody did for the 2021 event. This is a poster made for an event that they made up. So you can do that as well. I'm going to try to create something simple for the fashion show, but I don't want to do a very detailed one. I'm going to take this picture and I'll go to Photoshop and paste it. I want to create another one of these because I want to do a couple different things with it. So let's paste it again. So the image size here is a little big. I can change it to maybe 8.5. That way we have something. And we got this. And this one, let's see the image size on this. That's 11. You know what? I'm going to use the big one as my background. Okay. So I'm going to do a little gradient overlay on this. Good. I wonder if I can just select some red overlay. Okay, this is fine. So I want to use this as my background, and then I want to take this image. I'm going to change the image size to 4. I can probably just select the object in here. Let's see if it works. It works for the most part. So just for the sake of time, I'm just gonna go with this. You can perfect it, of course. So we have that. I'm going to duplicate the layer. And I'm going to flip this one. And now I'm going to just write my title and everything, so you can always create another layer. First, I'm going to divide the scene a little bit. Okay, let's fill this with, let's create a stroke, and we can create a red stroke. Okay, and then I'm going to create another layer and create the text. And I'm going to say Everybody Fashion Show. And I'm going to change the colors, of course. Let's make it black. Two is a little big. To make it 60. I can stroke this with white. Look for a white color. And then you can just put all the information here. So I'm doing something really basic here. You can always be more creative. You can use the brush tool. You can let's create another layer. You can just say, let's see. Let's pick this color here. And I'm gonna go to brush. I can just pick different colors and create different schemes. I don't know what I'm doing here at this point, but you guys can be creative and do different things. I'm also going to put some more text for the event, date and time. So you can say April 16. I'm not really sure what the date is. And let's make this black. I don't like these colors, so I'm going to get rid of that. I'm going to place it here and with this layer, I may have to just make it a little bit smaller. Okay, and then you can write other things. You can create another background here. Maybe you can fill this with a, let's see, maybe a grayish color. And we can change the opacity to like 50%. Do a couple different things. You can add fashion merchandising students present in here. Change the color on this layer. Oh, that's kind of cool. Okay, I'm gonna leave that. And then the text here for our title, right, I'm going to give it drop shadow, and I'll emboss this. Now embossing kind of takes away. Maybe I'll do an outer glow. Okay. I think this is a little better. So you can play with the writings, you can play with a lot of different things. There's a little white here, you can always select this and get rid of it. So I'm going to at the bottom, you can put more instructions, maybe a little smaller fonts, and you can say the location. So we're going to save this. Okay, we're done.